How to fix if your YouTube TV keeps logging out. Hey everyone, let's get started. If you find yourself constantly getting logged out, you have to follow these troubleshooting steps. The very first one is to use the latest version of the YouTube TV app installed. Sometimes outdated app can cause login problems. So make sure that from the device go to your app store and get the latest version. Likewise, it is also a good idea to clear the app's cache and storage space. The process is same like that of the device. You have to go to app info and clear the cache and clear storage. This may help to flush any corrupted files that may be interfering on Android. After that, you should also be able to clear the browser's cache and cookies. It is usually available on the Chrome's settings, privacy and security, and from there choose clear browsing data to clear all of it. After that, try to log in again. Also make sure to check for Google account's password and login history, as well as change it. So this way, it will look out for suspicious sign-ins as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.